Hey folks, so I recently purchased an Ichi Jiro Persimmon from a website, plantmegreen.com, and it's by what's called Simpson Nurseries. And it arrived today, and I'm so excited. I've been wanting to plant a persimmon tree, but I wasn't sure what variety to get. So I saw a YouTube channel that I watch sometimes. They talked about this one persimmon. So I'm going to do this unboxing for you because I can't wait to see what it looks like. And let's go ahead and see. So I took off the address label for privacy purposes, but I'll try to rip this open like so. And it's like funny that they have a zip tie hanging out the packaging. Oh wow, look how big, tall, and healthy this is. Although it did lose a couple leaves. But they also provided a nice agricultural certificate and how to plant the tree. It looks like it's very generic, but it's there. And check this out. I don't really need to repot it for the winter. I can just keep it watered, put it where I want to. I have a nice bamboo stake to go with it. And it is labeled Ichi Jiro Persimmon. So if you look at it, here is the label so you can see the variety, Ichi Jiro. Now, what's so nice about this persimmon, which is the reason why I chose this one, I wasn't sure which variety to get, is the fact that it is self-fertile. It's the coldest hardy persimmon available on the market. It's a semi-dwarf tree. It only goes 8 to 10 feet tall and seedless. And then the persimmons are non-astringent. So sometimes when you eat a persimmon, if they're not fully ripe, you know, if you've ever found some American persimmons going on a trail and you bite into them, for example, and you have the pasty, chalky type, and you get that too from some of the store-bought persimmons until they're fully ripe. So this kind, it's non-astringent, so it's sweet from the get-go. So anyway, I can't wait for this to be planted. I'll probably plant it in the yard in the springtime. It's been quite a dry season, and with the if the winter is going to be a dry winter, I'd rather just take care of it indoors until then. And then in the spring with the afternoon thunderstorms, it should do well. Now, one thing I'm not too keen on is how the top was trimmed. I don't know if they did that to fit in the box or if they do that initially hoping it produces more branches, because I like to have the nice growing tip versus coaxing a tree into different growth habits. But anyway, I can't wait for this tree to grow and produce fruits in a year or two. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and happy planting.